Hi everyone! Today we're learning how to set up tables and slicers in Excel. Here's a small sales data set. Notice the first row has headers like employee, sales, region, and month. These are important because Excel uses headers as column names in slicers. Step 1. Select the entire range, including the headers, then go to the Insert tab and choose Table. Make sure all the table contents are selected. And my table has headers is checkmarked. Now, the data is formatted as a table. Step 2. With the table selected, look at the top ribbon under Table Design. Click Insert Slicer. Excel shows your headers as options. Let's pick region and month. Now you'll see slicer buttons on the sheet. Click any region or month, and the table instantly filters. Hold Control to select multiple options, or clear the filter with the icon on the top right. Using headers, tables, and slicers makes your data cleaner, more interactive, and easier to explore.